HowExpert Guide to Screenwriting is a structured, practical guide for anyone serious about writing screenplays that translate into compelling visual stories and real opportunities in film and television. Instead of relying on vague advice or scattered techniques, this book delivers a clear, step-by-step screenwriting framework that shows you what to write and why it works. Whether you are starting your first script or refining your craft, you learn to think like a screenwriter, build engaging stories from beginning to end, and create scripts ready for industry expectations. Through a focused progression of storytelling foundations, structure, character development, dialogue, scene design, pacing, and practical industry insight, you gain the tools to write with clarity and confidence. Each chapter breaks down key elements into real-world screenwriting skills you can apply immediately, helping you turn ideas into strong, effective scripts without unnecessary theory. Introduction: understand why screenwriting matters and how the structured framework supports your growth. Chapter 1. Screenwriting Foundations. Build a strong foundation and understand core visual storytelling principles. Chapter 2. Cinematic Story Structure Mastery. Shape stories with precision using proven structural principles. Chapter 3. Realistic and compelling characters. Develop characters with depth, motivation, and clear transformation. Chapter 4. Engage in dialogue and voice. Write dialogue that reveals character, carries subtext, and drives the story. Chapter 5. Effective scene construction. Design purposeful scenes with conflict, clarity, and impact. Chapter 6. Narrative momentum and pacing control. Control rhythm, tension, and progression to maintain engagement. Chapter 7. Writing for visual storytelling. Turn ideas into clear cinematic action for the screen. Chapter 8. Rewriting and script optimization. Strengthen your script through focused revision and refinement. Chapter 9. Industry formatting and presentation. Apply professional standards and present your work effectively. Chapter 10. Theme, tone, and genre control. Shape, meaning, tone, and genre with clarity and consistency. Chapter 11. Industry entry and career positioning. Position yourself strategically within the screenwriting industry. Chapter 12. Networking, pitching, and deal execution. Build connections, pitch effectively, and move projects forward. Chapter 13. Growth, longevity, and creative mastery. Build habits that support long-term growth and success. Conclusion: reinforce what you have built and carry the framework forward with confidence. Appendices includes glossary, trusted resources, and practical reference tools. HowExpert Guide to Screenwriting is not just about finishing a script. It is about thinking structurally and writing with purpose so you can consistently improve your work and stand out with confidence. By focusing on the principles that separate amateur writing from professional storytelling, this guide helps you avoid common pitfalls and build a stronger approach. Start using the screenwriting framework to develop the skills to create, refine, and present stories that are clear, engaging, and ready for real-world opportunities. Build your screenwriting skills today and take the next step toward writing scripts that stand out and succeed on screen. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.